Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design a Facebook cover using ChatGPT, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Digital Nomad community, okay? And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to either write what you want here in this field, or you click on dictate, okay? Then you click on allow this time. Hi ChatGPT, can you design for me a Facebook cover in which we are talking about how you can use ChatGPT to design a Facebook cover? Thanks. Then you click here, then you click on this blue button. Then we are going to wait for a few seconds until ChatGPT design for us a Facebook cover for absolutely free, okay? And as you can see here on the screen, ChatGPT created for us a very eye-catching Facebook cover for free. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Digital Nomad channel. Thanks for watching.